Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. In this video we will be discussing about installation of Atom in Windows environment, and I will also show you how to add Julia in Atom using Aubergine environment. Right? So let us start now. First of all, we have to go to Atom website to download its media. By pressing the download button we will download the Atom. Once it finished, then after installation process we will begin shortly. As you see that the Atom is installed in my computer. Now start Atom, go to packages menu, then select package option. Now let me clear it first. Press install. Now write Uber. You will see the Aubergine is in front of you. Press install button. Now wait for some minutes. Press yes. It is installing the package. Now the package automatically going to install Julia in Atom environment. It is downloading Julia. You have to wait for a while until it finish installation. It is about to finish now. Yes. Some more seconds to go. It is totally depending on the speed of your internet and your system resources. It is just about to finish. Yes, it is done now. Now you can see the Julia image and Julia banner on the screen. You can see here green color Julia prompt. By pressing right square bracket we can go into package mode, and by pressing backspace we can go back into Julia command prompt. Now see, at Julia command prompt I add two numbers. It adds those numbers and print out the result at the bottom of the line. Top right corner you can see Julia console. Now I am printing some message for you. It is just to display how Julia commands works. It means that Julia is successfully installed in our Atom environment. Now we can work easily in this environment. Errors will come in red color. See, as in Python we check every variable's type by using type function, and in Julia we use type of function and pass variable name. It will tell us the type of that variable. I was trying to using some smileys here, but smileys will display at the Jupyter notebook very clearly. When we use Jupyter notebook, I will tell you how to use smileys as a variable. Look at the console at the top right corner of this IDE. You can perform any mathematical operation at command line or alphabetical operation. I am just executing this command to show you that Julia is perfectly working. In detail we will discuss later. At this time I am just wanting to show you the environment. It was modulus. You can clear the screen of Julia by pressing Ctrl D. It will stop and restart again. Now we can make a folder in our operating system and map that folder as our working folder with this environment, like I am doing now. Look, I am adding the folder and it's done. Thank you guys. We will discuss in detail about Julia in our coming videos. So till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.